So in the last sessions, we have seen in how many ways we can invoke RTC formula into our prompts, like how our RTC formula is going to work. So we covered with different examples. So today, just we are going to cover one small topic like, sir, tone control. Tone control. Sir, what is a tone? How we are going to control that tone? So while writing the prompts, that we are going to discuss. See, what is the meaning of tone? Sir, tone means what? Sir, it's a very simple thing, sir. Tone means in which style you are speaking. Style of style of speaking is called as what? Tone. In which style you are speaking. You are using a rash language, or smoothly you are communicating, or in a polite manner you are communicating. So what kind of style that you are using, or what is the mood of speaking? Are you speaking in angry mood, like that? So that means even I can say how your answer, how the answer should be, how the answer should be, sir, is decided by what? Tone. Sir, generally there are four types of tones. In general, we will use these four types. What is the first one? Friendly tone. Second one, professional tone. Sir, third one, funny tone. Sir, fourth one, strict. These are nothing but frequently used tones what we have. So there are n number of tones, but very frequently, how many types of tones we are going to use? These four types. What is the first one? Friendly. What is the second one? Professional. What is the third one? Funny. What is the fourth one? Straight. Don't worry. Every tone, what are the common words we will use in that? That I will explain. Up to this, any questions?
So, tone will the way we write the words, okay,
Yes,
means
yes.
output. Yeah. So it will decide the tone, even though we do not explicitly mention it like the friendly, professional.
Yeah. If
Okay.
even if you are not mentioning friendly, there are some words are there.
Oh, good.
So I will explain that. Right. Sir, now let me come with one by one. Sir, coming to the first one, friendly. So friendly tone means what? Can I say? When you are speaking in a soft manner, or if you are asking a simple, okay, so caring, okay. So even sometimes like a helpful friends. So like this, if you are asking, I can say this environment is called as what? Friendly environment. Okay. Next, where we can use this friendly environment. Sir, while learning, that is beginner, even for school students, we can use this friendly tone. And the people, sir, who fear technical concepts, for them also, we can use this friendly tone, right? So to learn the new things. So these are nothing but how we can use this friendly environment. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Now, sir, coming to the professional means what? Sir, which is used in office style. Office style messages are always professional, formal message. If I am writing a formal message, it is a professional way. So clean, so polite. These words. So no jokes. Sir, if I am using these kind of words, what kind of tone you are representing? Sir, you are representing a professional tone. You are representing a professional tone. So let us see what are the use cases of this. That means where we are going to use this. Sir, what are the use cases for these? Especially in emails of writing. Okay, even in reports of writing, so even in client messages, okay, even LinkedIn profiles or LinkedIn posts. So in these environments, we will use always a professional tone, which should be a very formal interaction. Any doubt on these two?
No, no, it's no doubt in that.
Right.
It's straightforward.
So yeah. So coming to funny. Sir, where we will use this funny environment, I think you can understand. Sir, where we are using jokes in prompts. So, light stay, not complete stay, light stay, and fun examples. So, make a boring topic interesting. Like this, if you are using these kind of statements in your prompt, then that prompt tone is nothing but what? Funny. Sir, where we will use this kind of tone? Very simple. Sir, in the reels, we will use this. Even, sir, YouTube shorts, we will use this kind of tone. And even marketing, sir, marketing content. In these scenarios, sir, we will always use this funny. Okay. Next, what about strict direct statement? Serious interaction, no extra words. If I'm using this kind of statement, no extra words means what? I'm expecting straightforward answer, strict tone. So, like a strict teacher, teacher or coach, you can ask these kind of words. Sir, where we are using this in interview preparation? In interview preparation. So remember, in interview preparation, you can't use a friendly environment. You can't use a professional way. So you can't use a funny. It should be very strict interview preparation. So that what kind of HR you are going to get, easily you can able to answer. Okay. Sometimes if you want to make a quick revision, serious strictness must be required. Okay. Sir, even strong discipline, strong discipline kind of kind of a style learning. Sir, in all these, we are going to use which environment? Strict strong. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
So, in short, don't worry, I will go with examples. Let me summarize these four kind of tones as of now. So, when we have to use this friendly tone, if you want to answer, becomes very soft and simple. If you want the answer to become very simple and soft, you have to use friendly. Sir, what about profession? What about professional? Sir, your answer becomes very formal and office style. If you want these kind of thing, then you have to go for this professional. Sir, what about funny? What about funny? Sir, which includes jokes and fun examples, which includes jokes and fun examples. Sir, when we have to use this street, sir, becomes direct and serious discussions or serious prompts. In these areas, we will use. So just a small note kind of things. So if you are clear with this, maybe a couple of examples I will explain so that you can understand how important the tone while writing the prompts. Clear? Yes, please confirm.
yes, yes, clear.
Right. So let's take some example prompts. Sir, explain prompt engineering, prompt engineering in friendly way for beginner. Have you observed? Explain prompt engineering in friendly way for beginner. Have you observed? This word indicates what kind of tone? What kind
Friendly
of tone?
tone. It's,
Friendly tone.
it is friendly tone.
Friendly tone, right?
Yes.
Next, use simple English. Use simple English. Sir, can you please confirm what is this one in RTC1?
Simple English is also kind of friendly tone, or simple English we are restricting with
No,
the
no, no.
simple English
Me.
then.
Explain prompt
Prompt.
engineering. This is our actual intention, right? Can I
Yeah.
say it is nothing but a task?
Task. Yes.
In that task, I used one more word in friendly way for beginner. So audience is
Mhm.
beginner. Can I say this
Beginner.
friendly way is nothing but what? A tone, right? In previous
Yes.
prompts, we have not used this. Now I am introducing. And use
Hmm.
simple English means what? Can I say it is a kind of constraint?
Constraint. Yes.
And
It
give
has nothing to do with the
one.
prompt. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Give one daily life example. Can I say it is also a constraint, right?
Hmm.
So I need answers with some example. Clear?
Hmm.
Can I run this code?
Yeah, yeah. One just small question I have. As you said, you are not explicitly mentioning here the role, task, constraint like this.
Hmm.
So I think the do these LLM models have their reserved keywords for the task, for tone, for context? So
No,
do
no,
or
no,
how
no,
do
no.
they interpret?
There is no reserved keywords. So
Hmm.
while writing the prompt itself, it can understand. So why? Because in the prompt clearly you are mentioning.
Hmm.
Just now I
Okay.
told. See, explain prompt engineering. Can I say it is a task?
Yes, it's task.
So task is there. In friendly way, for whom? For beginner. Audience is also there. Context is
Yes,
clear.
context is clear.
And constraints is clear. I have not mentioned any output format. And I have not
Hmm.
mentioned role of the AI model. If I am
Hmm.
asking act like a trainer or act like a coach or act like a teacher, I didn't mention because that is not my
Hmm.
intention as of now. To explain this tone control, I am writing the prompts.
Hmm.
So
Got it.
this prompt is purely focusing on what? Tone. Got it? And don't worry, these prompts, if you want to write, include the RTCCO formula and optimize this. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Now, sir, can I run this code?
Yes, yes.
Now, have a look once what answer we are going to get. So you can see prompt engineering means writing a clear instructions to AI like ChatGPT. So it gives you the answer you want. Sir, think of it like taking a helpful friend. If your question is clear, your friend can help you better. Simple definition. Prompt engineering is the skill of asking AI the right way to get better answers. Daily life example. Imagine so you go to a restaurant, unclear request, bring me the food. So the waiter does not know what you want. What is a clear request? Please bring, please bring me one vegetable biryani, medium spicy with raita. Clear?
Hmm.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is nothing but how it is going to write. So now even some examples also it is giving. I hope it is very clear. Any doubt in this? What kind of environment we asked here?
Friendly environment.
Clear? Can I go for the same thing, but I will use a professional? Can I?
Yeah.
Now what I am writing? Explain prompt engineering, sir, in which way? Professional way. Professional way. You should not mention for beginner, because for beginner, professional way can't be there, right? So user, or just I will add one more time. So write like an office trainer. Okay, and I'm going to use one more word. Use a clean output format is bullet points. Now observe, explain prompt engineering in a professional way. Write like an office trainer. Use clean bullet points. Sir, what is my intention? What is my task here? So I want to explain prompt engineering concept. Okay, what is the tone I used? Professional way. Just to understand up to this. Now, sir, whatever answer that we got previously, I hope I explained. Now what answer we are going to get, we need to see. Observe carefully. Prompt engineering, professional explanation. Prompt engineering is the process of writing clear and specific instructions for an AI system to produce accurate, relevant, and useful responses. A well-written prompt helps the AI understand exactly what is expected. Why prompt engineering is important? The key elements of good prompt: basic prompt, improved prompt, best practices, key takeaway. Have you observed? Everything is clearly mentioned in which way? Professional way. Sir, can I see this definition in the previous? No. In the previous, what it is defining? Prompt engineering is the skill of asking AI the right way to get better answer. Can I say it is a friendly environment? Now the professional environment. Are you seeing the difference here? That is nothing but very important. Tone is going to play an important role here. Clear?
Yes, yes. So there was a huge difference between the outputs given in the two ways.
Yes.
Very huge difference. Yeah.
Even another two different tones are there, right? Let me try there. You can see much difference. So, clear? Can I? So what is the next example? Sir, what is the next tone that we have to cover? Professional completed, friendly tone completed. What are the
Funny
remaining?
tone was there.
Funny tone is there. Then
Funny tone was there. And the last one, I forgot just.
Street.
Strict, yeah.
Yeah. So explain prompt engineering. Explain prompt engineering in funny way. Explain prompt engineering in funny way. So use one. Okay. So coffee. So coffee shop example. Use one coffee shop example. So make it entertaining, because I am asking in which tone? Funny tone. That's why. So make it entertaining. Like this I am asking. Let's see what my AI model is going to return. Observe prompt engineering, a funny explanation. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. Okay, the barista smiles and asks, "What do you like?" Bad prompt, coffee. So hot or cold, small or large, sugar, milk, which coffee. So you are in confused mode. Who is confused mode? So that particular coffee shop. Now what is a good prompt? I would like a medium hot cappuccino with less sugar, extra foam, and no chocolate powder. Perfect coming right. Have you observed? So it is in a funny manner, right? The secret of prompt engineering is, so think of AI is a very small person. Sir, clear order, great coffee. Clear prompt, great AI answer. Confusing order, surprise coffee. Confusing prompt, surprise answer. One last line. Prompt engineering is simply learning how to order your AI coffee. So you will get exactly what you asked for, instead of a random history treatment. Have you observed? In a funny tone, sir, it has given, right? So suppose if there is a concept, you didn't understand that concept. Don't worry, just mention the same prompt instead of that example. Suppose in this prompt, so instead of prompt engineering, you can take any topic which is feeling difficulty for you, and you can give any some examples, relevant examples. Now, what will happen if you run this prompt? So our AI model is going to give you this requirement in a very funny manner. Maybe you can understand. Suppose still if you are not understanding, you can add one more point to say, give two or three examples so that it will provide multiple examples. At least one example you can able to connect. Right? That is very, very Prince, clear up to this. Clear up to this. Yo, please confirm. Sir, majority
Yes,
of the students are giving response in chat. Can you please unmute and speak? Clear?
yes, yes.
Right, right. Sir, what is the last tone? What is the last tone we have? Strict,
Strict.
strict, strict. Now see, same example, how it will respond. Explain prompt engineering. Explain prompt engineering strictly, strictly for interview, for interview. So no jokes, no jokes. Answer in 5 bullet points only. Now observe carefully. If I am running this, so how my AI model is going to respond? So prompt engineering, sir, have you observed? Nothing is there. Only 5 points. Prompt engineering is a process of designing clear, specific, and structured instructions for an AI model to generate accurate and relevant responses. A good prompt includes the task, content, expected output, and any constraint, such as format, tone, or length. So, effective prompt engineering improves accuracy, consistency, and the overall quality of AI generated results while reducing the ambiguity. It is widely used for tasks such as content creation, coding, summarization, translation, data analysis, and customer support. What is interview definition? Prompt engineering is the skill of creating well-structured prompt that helps AI systems to produce accurate, relevant, and high-quality outputs efficiently. Sir, how beautifully it is giving the response. Just a matter of writing the correct prompt. Sir, all these four ways, friendly, professional, funny, strict way. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear. So in the nutshell, if you say if we learners try to use the tone, I think the professionalism is the more appropriate to learn the new things
Yes,
because it
yes,
was giving the
exactly.
response in a clear-cut manner.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Suppose tomorrow I want to attend an interview as a trainer. Just I wanted to join in one reputed institute. So they told that you need to prepare so and so topics. So what I can give, I can write a clear prompt. I will ask my AI agent so to give some 20 multiple choice questions strictly on this particular topic. So correct me if there is any wrong answers. If there is any correct answer, don't give any answers. Don't give any suggestions. Like that, I can write a prompt and I can give. So if I spend 20 minutes for these 20 questions, happily my agent, AI agent is going to give those questions in a strict manner, right? And if I want to learn any concept, I can write this professional kind of tone, as you said. Suppose if I am unable to understand any concept, multiple times I have seen, if I am unable to understand that concept, you can use a funny way with one or two examples so that maybe you can understand the concept. Got it, sir?
Got it.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now, this is about the tone. So as of now, sir, if you see at very top level, just we have seen introduction to prompt engineering. And what is the next thing we covered? What is the next thing we covered? So prompt, what is the next
Formula.
topic? Huh?
It was the formula that we discussed.
Prompt formula,
Yeah. RTC,
what
CO.
RTCCO, prompt formula. But before that, I think I explained prompt clarity tools. So prompt clarity rules. What are all the rules that we have to follow? There are only two rules: good prompt, bad prompt,
Bad prompt.
structured, unstructured. So after that, so formula, prompt formula. What is a prompt formula? RTCCO. For easy understanding purpose, I have given that. So after that, just now we covered tone control also. There are four types of tones are there. Based on your intention, automatically AI agent is going to understand. So now the next topic is same like a tone control. So sometimes length control is also required. So because if I am giving explain Java, sir, how many points you need, either in one line or two lines, like that we don't know, right? So how you can control this length, or this also we can write the queries, I mean we can write the prompts. So what is length control? We can tell AI, so how big the answer should be, how big the answer should be. You decide, you are going to decide which one, you are going to decide which one is your answer is short, or your answer is medium, or your answer is detailed or long. You can decide, you can decide. So if I am taking short, what will happen? So if I am asking medium, what will happen? Everything I will accept. Any questions up to this?
No questions.
So when we can use this short, when we can use this short, can I say for quick revision? Sir, I want to learn one topic. I already spent almost 2 hours a time. Just I want to revise. Can I use this short method? Yes. Even especially for interviews, we will use. Best example, can I write explain Java in 2 lines? Sir, is it a short answer we will get or not? Yes, let me check. Sir, is it giving in 2 lines?
Yeah.
Clear the meaning of short? So where we can use this medium, especially in learning domain, if I want to prepare any notes. So if I want a normal explanation for any topic, we can use. Example, same, explain Java in 200 words. I can say it is a medium or not. Yes. Let's run this code and check. So you can see almost, sir, 200 words will be there. Clear, friends?
Yes, clear.
So what about long, or what about detailed? Detailed. So if you want to understand the concept in deep, so deep understanding is required for me, especially for teaching. For teaching, okay, because we should not miss anything. For documentation for future reference. So if I want example, explain Java in detail with example like this I am asking. Because of that in detailed word, you can see. Have you observed what is Java? Why Java is popular? What does Aura principle? How Java works? Features of Java, basic Java program, explanation of the program, daily life example of object oriented, example program using objects, where Java is used, advantages, disadvantages. Sir, I didn't ask this much information. With the word explain in detail, this is the content what we got. Clear?
Yeah, it's
Clear.
clear.
So this is nothing but what is mean by length control. Length control. If we are not controlling, length, so what will happen? Can I say AI is going to guess? AI will guess. So guessing can give too long answer, or too short answer, because we don't know, it is going to guess. So because of that, what will happen? Which may not fulfill your requirement. So hence what you have to do, sir? Hence we have to control the length while writing the prompts. Sir, is the length control is clear?
Clear, sir.
This is nothing but what is mean by tone control and length control. Of course,
Length
a
control.
short talk. Any queries?